know we're watching, anticipating severe weather, but we're already seeing what the winds are doing.
In Holt County, yeah.
Yeah, so as you mentioned, that tractor trailer overturned by the strong
Right.
wind. Definitely windy out there, and that wind is not even associated with the thunderstorm. So we're seeing those wind gusts still there 30 to 40 miles an hour. And all that wind is going to help fuel that severe weather threat that we'll see a little later on this evening between 6 p.m. and midnight. You see a lot of orange on the map, so just about the entire area. And Nick and Katie, they were talking about that this morning and at noon, that for most of us, we have this medium threat for severe weather. And the primary threat will be those damaging wind gusts. We're already seeing those thunderstorms now forming into a line rolling across central Kansas. So typically when you get that set up, damaging wind gusts, those are the #1 threat there to be aware of. There also could be some spin-up tornadoes. So we are monitoring for any sort of rotating thunderstorms. And then there could be some quarter-size hail in the mix as well. Again, a medium threat for severe weather. So for all of us, we need to be making sure that we're paying close attention to the weather this evening. Here's how things look on live radar. And around the metro, we do have some thunderstorms, but you'll notice here, area-wide, no severe thunderstorm warnings or tornado warnings as of right now. In fact, the nearest area that has a severe thunderstorm warning is off to the west of Emporia. So for most of us, we have mainly dry conditions. The exception right in the metro here, where we do have some downpours here, some thunderstorms from near Parkville and Gladstone, one little downpour over downtown Kansas City. Now right over Smithville Lake, we have an area of heavier rain coming down. It's not severe, but some heavier rain over Smithville, Edgerton, Plattsburgh, then farther towards the north and east, right up I-35 near Bethany, some heavier rain also toward Gallatin as well. This area of rain and thunderstorms, or really these areas of rain and thunderstorms, they're just going to continue to lift off towards the northeast here as we go through the next couple of hours, at least what we're seeing right now. Then this bigger line off to the west, that comes in later on this evening. Here's Future Scan. It's nailing the location of where these thunderstorms are. So next few hours, scattered showers and storms. Here comes that big line. That's a look at 6 p.m. So approaching western Atchison County on the Kansas side, Brown County up towards Hiawatha. This line will be moving into the metro around 8 p.m. So again, this setup here, damaging wind, that's the #1 threat. Monitoring for those spin-up tornadoes. Could be some hail in there too. So between 8 and 10, still some heavy rain. Still that big line of storms moving east. So 10 p.m. approaching 65 highway near Marshall, Sedalia, Warrensburg, and Warsaw. You could be seeing the brunt of those thunderstorms. Still some heavier rain around the metro. And then by midnight, should have the all clear on the Kansas side of the area. Still on the Missouri side of the metro, you might have some heavier rain. The worst of the storms by that point will be making their way into central Missouri. And then cooler and drier air will settle in as we head towards tomorrow morning. So how much rain could we see here? Potentially around an inch of rain for the metro. Heavier amounts, especially in northern parts of Missouri and Kansas, where you have already picked up rain and thunderstorms a little earlier in the afternoon. 9-day forecast. Once we get to tomorrow, it's going to be a lot quieter for Halloween. Still a little breezy, but nothing like we've been dealing with, and considerably cooler. We're near 80 degrees right now. We're going to be only in the 40s in the morning, low to mid 50s early in the afternoon. About 57 should do it. More afternoon sunshine coming out, and you'll want to make sure you have those layers for tomorrow evening as temperatures fall back into the upper 40s. Low 60s, sunny, a great day on Friday. Impact day Saturday, Sunday, and Monday for showers each of those days. And remember, we fall back early Sunday morning as daylight saving time comes to an end, so we go back 1 hour. We have Monday Night Football, Chiefs right here on KMBC. Looking kind of rainy, especially for tailgating, and then a chance of rain lingering there for Election Day. Cooler weather late next week with highs in the 50s, and a closer look at that Chiefs forecast against the Bucs. Showers are likely for tailgating and at kickoff, middle 60s, and then there might still be a few lingering showers heading home, hopefully after another Chiefs win.